Risded. Risded, an eminent poetess, seer, and philosopher of Kashmir, who lived through the 20th century, was shrouded in mystery. It was only 12 years after her death that her literary compositions first saw the light of the day. For a while it seemed that the illustrious Lalded of the 14th century had taken yet another birth. Born in Srinagar in 1880, Risded, literally meaning noble lady, was undoubtedly a loving, unsophisticated woman with tremendous yogic powers. She blessed all, irrespective of caste or creed, and wished everyone well. She never uttered a harsh word, lived a saintly life, and quietly passed away in 1966. Her real name was Sampat Devi by Pandit T. N. Kaul. Courtesy Koshur Samachar.
दयालो मन छुअक सुंदर बा बरुसक गंडुस पाय रुत व्यस्तार छुअक सुंदर ब्यो छक युत्रस्त करस लाई मुदुर शब्द छुअक सुंदर पोश करान पराजत शतरस अनाथ विजयी वपकार कृतिच अक सुंदर फल सेठा म्यूट सेठा फूट बिना संशय दयालो मन छुअक सुंदर
Kind heart is like a delightful garden. Water it fully and keep it duly fenced. Good thought is like a beautiful seed. Sow it and surely raise a bumper crop. Sweet word is like a charming flower. It disarms enemies and ensures success. Benevolence is like a delectable fruit, large size and very delicious indeed.
जिंदगी अक समय अक अवसर्थ अकाल जिंदगी हेचुत हेचत वरताव अमा कठिन सवाल जिंदगी सुवोत दुचोत समसोत योहै परजनाव पर खाउन रटुन त्राउन महा
Life is time, an opportunity and a particular period. To imbibe good and to do good is difficult task. Life is a crossroads, a deceptive path, an embankment. To identify, test, accept or reject these is hard.
आत्म अनुभव छु दीवान दिव्य ज्ञान अवै आत्मज्ञानिक सरी अनुरागी आत्मज्ञान छु मुक्ति हुन निशान सुआसान योगी भोगी रागी त्यागी
Self-realization results in recognition of God. That is why the wise strive to know themselves. Self-knowledge is the symbol of salvation for all, be it a yogi, sensualist, lover or anchorite.